My name is Mulenga J Mulenga. I'm from Lusaka, Zambia. I live and work in Lusaka. I'm investigating the identity of the black body, of a woman's black body in our Zambian society, in our setup. And I'm interested in talking about social and political issues that subject the black female body and how it has been historically documented. At Gasworks, I've been researching on the link between Zambia and the UK. And of course, we have a lot of histories to do with the colonial era, but I'm more interested in a skull which was discovered in Zambia in 1921 in a mine, and now it's being housed at the Natural History Museum here in London. So I'm kind of questioning the possibilities of these institutions and spaces as well. How do they relate to a common person? How do you access them as a black body? How do you access them also from an historical point of view? And how do you just cross the borders? And at some point, the UK government claimed that the skull belongs to humankind and it has the right to stay here because the Zambian weather and the climate is not favorable. But what would be more favorable for my ancestor to rest in peace? That is, if he's been resting in peace in London, although would he rest more in peace if he was brought back to Lusaka?